Hello, welcome to Pandemic Martial Arts, Stay at Home and Train, video number 27. Alright, I'm going to talk to you about folders today, small folders. Okay, everybody's got some kind of small folder they carry. Alright, so first I'm going to walk out on a soapbox and I'm going to tell you a real important thing here. Okay, this is lethal force. If you're using this, you better be a reasonable man and fear for your life, and the situation better warrant it. Okay, don't threaten people with these things because you're threatening them. The law enforcement sees these things as you're trying to murder somebody. Okay, so understand, a lot of people, especially when it comes to juries, see these things as heinous weapons. All right, why? Because of media. All right, so it takes a lot to stop a person with a blade. They usually die later. Okay. So what are we going to use this for? We have to be a reasonable man and fear for your life. There's your warning. Okay. All right. So that being said, I want you to understand. At the noj, at the sistema noj, the knife system. More Russian for you guys out there to learn again. Okay. So how do we carry it? Well, first off, we should be carrying our knife where? Down here. So don't wait until you're in a situation. If you think you're going to get threatened or somebody's going to attack you, down low. Okay. Why? It's down here. Okay, and we should be what? Cutting and getting away. Okay, so what are we cutting out? I want to cut the person's limb, and get away. So what are the targets? Okay, targets become everything. It's called ethical cutting. Okay, the goal of this is to disable somebody and get out of there. That means you fucked up somehow on your situational awareness. Back to situational awareness. If it looks like it could go bad, what are you doing there? What did you not see? All right, so levels of awareness. Let's talk about that for a second. White, we're at home. Everything's great. Everything's hunky-dory. We're watching TV. Let's thank Jeff Cooper for that. Okay? He's the one who created this. All right. Then we have what? Yellow. Yellow is, I'm going out today. I could get attacked. What weapons did I bring with me? So, do I carry my knife with me? Do I have pepper spray? Do I carry a whip? Do I have a staff with me? Do I carry a cane? Anything and everything you can use, you want to think about. How about with your jacket and a knife? Well, you might need that. Jacket and a rock. It does not matter. Again, whatever you're carrying. It's more what you've trained with. Okay, that being said, we have the next level. Orange. Somebody's coming up. They're already making it. They're making threats. If this person's going to attack me, I'm already coming up with a plan how I'm going to do. All right, good. So, we've done that. What else? Red. This person is now attacking me. I need to now neutralize the threat, okay, and get out of there. Black is, you're in the middle of the threat. You've lost your focus on the situation around you. You are now overwhelmed, okay? We call that tunnel vision, okay? Some people call it the fog of war, whatever you want to call it, okay? You're pretty much useless then. You only see this much of the world. We don't want to be that guy. So how do we prevent that? Well, first off, have a plan. Okay, so I'm carrying my knife today. All right, I got my knife with me. All right. It's down here, okay? So where is it? Is it visible? Am I threatened? I may have it down here in my pocket, okay? So I have it here with my thumb here. And then what? I want to what? Cut the limb, cut the arm as I go by. So, 3 cuts we got to remember. Ethical cutting. Why are we cutting this? Okay, I want to cut here, I want to cut here, and I want to cut here. These 3 spots will disable a person. They will not bleed to death and die. Don't die of an infection. This is important, okay? Ethical cutting. You can read about it in my book, Knives, Knife Fighting, and Knife Self-Defense. It's available on lulu.com. Okay, so what do we need to practice? First off, getting the knife out. Okay, notice I'm well trained with it. It comes out quick. Okay, so how do we do that? Well, first off, you carry it on a clip, practice getting it out. Practice at what? Getting it open. Okay, having it out, having it open. Okay, then we want to what? Practice, cut, step. Okay, so how does that work? Limb. Okay, that's what we're after. Okay, be getting that habit of what? From here, cut, there. Okay, and we're gone. Okay, give them a push as you go by. Cut them this way and push them. So. Okay, what is this? This is cut. Again, what are we cutting? Here. So, think about it like this, that. Okay, this is quick, ugly. Okay, you're in fear for your life, or your family's life. This is who you're fighting for. Somebody's trying to rob you out there. Remember, this is we're in a pandemic. We're at stay-at-home martial arts and train. Why do we practice this? So that we can save our families in the case somebody is trying to rob us, to hurt our family members. Okay, you could be protecting an elder, helping them get groceries. It could be your wife and your kids when you're trying to get groceries. It could be just yourself. You're trying to get your food home. So, what do we practice? One of the things practice, get this thing out. Have it loose where you've actually oiled it. You know how to get this thing out. It's useless if I sit here and I'm like, well, I got to fumble for this. No, it's there. Okay, low, here, there. Okay, cut, here. Okay. You may find yourself where you can only have time for two, and it's what? Cut, pass. Okay? I want to get in that habit of what? Cut. So I'm cutting that limb and stepping past. Okay? So it becomes what? I'm here. Hey, I don't want to fight. And you're gone. Okay? Here, there. Okay? We're just disabling. Again, the idea is what? This limb's come at me. I'm cutting down. I'm cutting back. Okay. Real important. Okay. You may have a leg held down like this. Okay. Again, it's down here. Okay. And I'm what? And I'm gone. Notice it came out from here. Okay. There. Pass the limb. Cut the limb. Pass the limb. Cut the limb. Okay. Again, this is just to get you out of there because guess what? And there may be, and probably are going to be, multiple attackers. One of the problems that I'm hearing about is usually it's a couple of attackers trying to rob somebody for their groceries. We got people getting out of prison, don't have money or food. They used to be criminals. They're out there. I want you guys to keep your head on a swivel. Look out. Okay. There's druggies out there. Again, there's plenty of people looking for an easy mark. Be willing to fight, be ready to fight, but again, know the circumstances. If we can get out of there, get out of there. If you can't, be ready. Okay, so what are we going to do? Disable. Okay, now remember, a lot of people are wearing heavier clothing, so you better make sure this thing's sharp. Watch the video on how to sharpen these things with a coffee cup on my site, and a glass and a leather belt. Learn how to make them sharp enough to shave with. So if you don't have a practice one, don't practice on your bag. You'll slice it up. If you have a practice one, good. If not, order one. Hey, little vendors out there, they can help you out. I Martial Arts Supply, they've got these things in stock. You can get them. They're a law enforcement and medical supply. Fortunately, these are considered law enforcement trainers, and you can purchase them. All right. Hey, don't forget, I take PayPal and use the donations. My school's shut down, just so you guys know this. I'm only doing videos, selling books, just like everybody else. Got bills to pay, got to feed a family. All right, so look me up on PayPal. Send me a little money. All donations are accepted. Thanks for watching. Do свидания, мой друг. And until next time, молодец. Good job. Thanks.